I am so excited to be back here, to give you guys what you deserve. What do you deserve? You deserve the best of the best of the best content ever. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Ifeoluwa. My YouTube channel is about natural hair, food, travel, and a whole lot of all those good stuff. I think I need to change this line. I need to work on this line. But anyways, we move. Today, I just want to tell you about my wash day routine. When I mean wash day routine, I'm talking about my hair, my natural hair. So, my wash day routine is divided into 3 parts: the pre-poo, the poo, and the post-poo. So, for the pre-poo, the first thing I do is to section my hair into 4 parts or more. I don't like sectioning into 4 parts because I noticed that there are still large chunks, like my hair is still too much to access at once, so I still go ahead to divide one part of the 4 into 2, making so by the time I'm done sectioning everything, I should have like 8 sections. So after sectioning it, I twist it in. I guess I'm gonna have to do a video of how I do all of that, but let me just narrate it to you. So after sectioning it, then I oil my scalp with coconut oil. I oil it, after which I spray my rice water on my hair. I make sure it gets to everywhere. I'm gonna have to do another video on the effect of rice water on your hair for a fast growth. So after that is done, I make sure I spray it on every part of the hair. And after spraying it, I spray it per section. I have 8 sections now, so I loosen the twist, then I spray it on it. I comb it. After combing the hair, I twist it back. I do that for all the sections, the 8 sections. After that, then I massage my scalp so it gets into my scalp also. I massage it well. And after massaging, I get my plastic bag or shower cap, anyone you have, then I put it on my hair. I used to cover my hair. After which, I use my hair bonnet. There's this one that I made myself, so I put it on it, or you can get it available all around. Make sure it's satin. Then I cover my hair with it. Then I leave it that way for an hour. Some people do it overnight, but I noticed that anytime I do that treatment, I'm unable to carry it overnight because it itches me so much. So what works for A might not work for B. So that method doesn't work for me. I had to, some people do it 30 minutes, some 1 hour, some 2 hours, some overnight, but I prefer doing it for an hour or at most 2 hours. So after that, I go into the shower. I rinse my hair with cold water. I make sure to rinse everything out. I rinse it out. I rinse it with so much water. Anytime I'm having my wash day, I use a lot of water because I like, washing everything out so I don't experience product buildup, which is not healthy for the hair. After I rinsing everything out, then I apply my shampoo. I'm going to do a product review someday. I'm going to show you all the products I use for my hair that makes it very healthy. Then I apply the shampoo. Then I wash it, making sure it gets everywhere. The scalp, wash the scalp, the hair, everything. Then I rinse it out with warm water. I wash with warm water. Then after washing and rinsing, then I go back to the tap, use cold water to finish everything up. After that is done, then that is the poo. I talked about the pre-poo, and washing it is the poo. Then the post-poo, all I do, I use LOC, and since my hair is still wet, not dripping wet, it's already damp, I use my t-shirt to dry it. Don't use towel, it's not healthy for your hair, it breaks the hair. So using t-shirt helps to avoid it from breaking. After I do that and it's already damp, not like dripping wet or dry, then LOC is liquid or leave-in condition, then O is oil, then C is cream. So I use LOC. Since my hair is still wet, then I go ahead to add the oil. I oil my scalp again. After oiling it, then I had my cream, but I'm not using shea butter. I noticed that anytime I use shea butter, it causes dandruff for me. Like I said, what works for A might not work for B, sorry. So I noticed shea butter doesn't really, maybe I'll try it sometime, because it's been a while I tried it, that I noticed it gives me that. And also make sure you are putting oil on your scalp, not cream. It's really important you avoid putting cream on your scalp. Use oils, natural oils, coconut oil. There's this oil that I use, it has a mixture of coconut, jojoba, a lot. I bought it, so I think for maybe 250 naira, 300, I can't remember, it's been a while I bought it, that I've been using it. So after I've done that, I apply the cream to my hair, then I comb it out and style as desired. And that is my wash day routine. I'll try and film my wash day routine. I just decided to do this just to let you know how I do it, and I hope you learned something. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Please subscribe, leave me comments, like my videos, and share my videos. By the way, this is my natural hair. As you can see, this is it. This is how it looks like after I've washed it. I've not done the post-poo. I've not done it. I've done pre-poo and poo. I've not done post-poo. I'm going to do it before I make my hair. That will be for the next video. So in the next video, if you see I'm wearing this same clothes, just know I filmed them on the same day. So see you in the next one. Bye.